Come join the live! Okay, let's not do my hair like that. So, I have done another spontaneous live. This is my first video for Albert Olmedo. Good evening po. I miss you too. Thank you so much for coming in my live. Where are you from? I am from the Philippines. Thank you po kay Ralph Lawrence Villahin for the 10 star. Kita, mahal din kita. Salamat. Thank you. Seen them in my live. Na-appreciate ko talaga ang iyong mga sinasabi. Thank you po. 6 a.m. 7. Wala ka klase bukas. Meron po, but I am homeschooled. So, I don't go to school face-to-face. Only sometimes. Let me just curl my lashes for a second. Don't order Jollibee tonight. Are there places that still deliver at 3 a.m.? Yes. She's up there. Shoutout po, Albert Olmedo! Of course. Pwede ba pa picture, screenshot lang? Of course! Ayan. Oh no. Lollipop Reels na to. Oh, thank you po so much, Billy Joel Espinosa. Bukas magla-live ka uli. I'm pretty sure po I will. I'll always make it work somehow to be here. Oh, thank you. Anong oras pasok mo sa high school? 6:30 a.m. Ang aga. Kasi kapag 8 p.m. po ako nagla-live or something, baka may iba akong mag-live na kaibigan ko and magka-flash siya. So, maybe like 9 p.m. ako magla-live. Like when Sam goes live at 9:30 p.m., that's 8:30 a.m. for me. Ooh, wow. The thing is with me, anong oras ang uwian? Depende po. Depends. Ba, inupupuyat? Napupuyat po. Pero, I'll try to fix my sleep schedule. Artista po ako, actress po ako, and I do social media. Hi, Daniel! FIFA World Cup. I'm gonna be cooked if I keep going live at, what is that? A gold hair? Or is it a white hair? No, that's a gold hair. Oh, I have a gold hair. I like your shirt. I wish I had a version of it. There's a lot of versions of this shirt. Here. Yes. There's a lot of version. This one. A lot of version. No, wala pong account sa YouTube. Wala po. Like old ones. I do have old ones, pero I don't have like new YouTube accounts. So don't trust the posters because I don't have any. I'm gonna end in 2 minutes, guys. Speaking of mod, Arya posted a video Ooh. Nasty pic. Yung dati mo sa live, yung sinabi ko na pang, opo, si Ponggay. Yes. Hello, Lionel! Okay, it is 3:10 a.m., guys. Well, thank you so much for all of the love and support. Thank you po, first of all, I just want to thank the Star Senders. Thank you so much, Ralph Lawrence, Villahin, Glenn, and Crystal MacD. Thank you guys so much for all of the love and support. I love you guys so much. And I'm gonna go ahead to sleep after this live. Good night, guys. I love you guys so much. Always remember that. Always remember that Arya loves you lots. And I will never stop loving you guys. Good night, guys. I love you also so much. And for the last time, I love you guys so much. And thank you for all the love and support. Yes. I hope to see some familiar names next time. Bye-bye, guys. I love you all. Bye. See you guys next time.